Mistake number one, breaking company rules. First mistake, breaking company rules. Many crew think it's just one time. No one will see. It's okay. Others do it. But on board, nothing is hidden. I've seen hardworking people lose everything because they ignored one rule: drinking at the wrong time, skipping safety procedures, entering restricted areas, or using their phone during duty. One report, one investigation, one termination. Years of sacrifice gone. My advice: treat company rules like your lifeline. Those rules protect your job. Those rules protect your family future. If you are unsure, ask. If you are tired, still follow. If others break rules, don't copy them. Protect your name. Protect your record.